Gold prices have just hit an all-time high, and we're here to break down what this means for you and the economy. Gold futures for December delivery recently touched an incredible $2,570.40 per ounce. That's not just high, it's record-breaking high. In fact, it's the fourth time since April 2023 that gold has smashed its own record. But here's the million-dollar question. Why is this happening? Well, it all comes down to what's going on at the Federal Reserve. There's a lot of buzz about a major policy shift, and investors worldwide are on the edge of their seats. Let's break this down a bit. The Federal Reserve, led by Chairman Jerome Powell, hints at cutting interest rates. They're talking about a potential cut in September, not a huge one, mind you, just a 25 basis point cut. But in finance, even small moves can cause big waves. And it's not just about one cut. The Fed seems to be planning a series of cuts over the next few years. Their goal is to bring the Fed funds rate down from its current high of about 5.5% to around 3.5% by 2026. That's a significant change in direction. Now you might be wondering, what does this have to do with gold? Well, it's all connected. As talks of these rate cuts heat up, something interesting is happening to the US dollar. It's losing strength. The dollar index has dropped to 101.35, a dip of 0.49%. There's often a seesaw relationship between the dollar and gold. When the dollar weakens, gold tends to strengthen, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. But there's more to this story. Another factor driving gold prices up is inflation, or rather the cooling of inflation. Recent data shows we're getting closer to the Fed's target of 2% inflation. This combination of factors, potential rate cuts, a weakening dollar, and cooling inflation, is creating the perfect environment for gold to thrive. Let's take a moment to consider what all this means. In times of economic uncertainty, many investors turn to gold as a safe haven. It's seen as a store of value, something that can hold its worth when other investments might be shaky. The current surge in gold prices isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's a reflection of shifting investor confidence and a changing economic landscape. It's as if the financial world is holding its breath, watching every move the Fed makes. So what's next for gold? Will it continue its upward climb, or has it reached its peak? That's the million-dollar question. The truth is, nobody knows for sure. But one thing is certain. The interplay between Fed policy, the strength of the dollar, and gold prices is creating a financial drama that's captivating the world. As we wrap up, let's recap the key points. 1. Gold has hit a record high of $2,570.40, its fourth record since April 2023. 2. The Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates in September, signaling a major policy shift. 3. The US dollar has weakened to 101.35, as markets anticipate multiple rate cuts through 2026. These developments could reshape the financial landscape as we know it. Whether you're an investor, a finance enthusiast, or just curious about what's happening in the world of economics, this is definitely a story worth following. Thanks for tuning into this golden update. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest financial news. Until next time, keep your eyes on the markets and your mind on your money.